In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly integrate a SurveyMonkey survey into your website using onecompiler.com. Whether you're aiming to gather customer feedback or gauge the interest of site visitors, embedding surveys on your website can be a powerful tool. Now let's dive in and explore the simple steps you need to follow. First, you'll want to navigate to the SurveyMonkey homepage. Once you're there, log in and proceed to your projects section where all your active surveys are displayed. This is where you'll see any survey that you're currently working on, and it's important to choose the survey you wish to publish via an embedded website. Have a look through your options and select the one that you are ready to share with the world. The next move is to click on Collect Responses. This tab is crucial because it allows you to manage how and where your survey responses are gathered. Selecting this will present various methods for collecting responses, but for our purposes, we're going to create a new way to reach your audience. Now click on Add New Collector. Think of a collector as a pathway through which you gather survey responses. Since you're looking to embed this survey on your website, you'll choose the Website Collector option. This will guide you into specifying how your survey will be integrated into your web space. Following this, you'll need to select Embedded Survey from the options provided. An embedded survey allows site visitors to take part directly on your webpage, which can enhance engagement as users do not have to leave your site to participate. This option will give you a snippet of HTML code that you will integrate directly into your web page. Once you see the code in front of you, click on Copy. This action will place the HTML code onto your clipboard, ready to be pasted into your website's code. Next, head over to onecompiler.com, a versatile tool that's perfect for previewing how your embedded survey will appear on your website. On this site, navigate to the HTML section. Here, you'll find an editor where you can paste the copied survey code into the body section, or another relevant portion of your web page's HTML. With the code now in position, click Run and watch as your survey materializes on the test page. This will give you a clear view of how it's expected to look and function on your actual website. It's a fantastic way to ensure everything appears just right before going live. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've now seamlessly embedded a SurveyMonkey survey into your website using onecompiler.com. This approach aids in effective data collection directly from your audience and enhances user experience by allowing them to interact without leaving your site. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide has been helpful in achieving your survey integration goals.